behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
And on the Red Alliance, we see both Thought-Provoking and MA Bears start by dropping off the game pieces they have. Unfortunately, 4904 gets hung up on the side of the charging station. And not only will they not score, they prevent it from being able to get level. On the Blue Alliance, Warrior Wargs had better luck, both docking and engaging by the end of auto. And that will be enough for the Blue Alliance to start telling up with the lead. But Red is quickly ready to try and make some of that back. However, that might be difficult. It looks like 4904 trailing some of their intake at the moment. It's down to teammates Bobobots to get some of that game piece scoring. And 253, they have a cone with them. They're trying to get it lined up to score in the middle row. Looks like they're just having a little bit of trouble releasing hold of it, and it falls back down to the bottom row. They'll have to find another and give it another shot. And Blue Alliance now has a lead by 6 points, and they're quickly getting ready to try and add to that. 32-56, holding that cube high, which they bring back from the loading zone, and they're making their way around the charging station, back to their own grid, and trying to find somewhere to score it. And with just over a minute, 20 left to go, just 3 points separate our alliances. This time it is MA Bears running back for the Red Alliance, dropping off that cube in a bottom row node, and quickly back to grab another. Although it looks like they decided they'll have better luck over at their own loading zone, and now they're racing back, adding one more, completing an additional link in the bottom row. And with a minute left, we have a tied score, but not for long, as 852 drops off a cone in the upper row. And that completes a node there for the Blue Alliance as well, and 852 find another cone there for the taking at midfield, and they are back once again. Looks like they are also trying to add that to an upper row node. And it is enough for our Blue Alliance to start pulling ahead as we approach the final 30 seconds. 766 trying to make up some of that scoring, seeing if they can nudge that cube into place, and it looks like they do get it there, filling out the bottom row for the Red Alliance and making their way onto the charging station with 20 seconds left. Joining partners Thought-Provoking, looks like they might be trying to make some room. And meanwhile, 15 seconds left, Blue gets all 3 of their robots sharing that charging station, docked and engaged. 10 seconds left, Bobobots trying to make it up there for the Red Alliance. 3 seconds left, they decide to back off and leave their 2 alliance partners there, docked and engaged. Match by a score of 108-70, and finishing it with 3 ranking points earned in total.